Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about importance of exercise and yoga for kids. So let's start the class. Why exercise is important? Exercise helps make muscles and bones strong. Keeps your heart healthy. Makes you active and energetic all day. Helps you sleep better at night. Fun activities: running, jumping, skipping, dancing. Yoga improves flexibility and balance. Helps stay calm and focused. Strengthens your body and mind. Tree pose. Stand on one leg and stretch arms up. Cat crow pose. Stretch your back and relax. Cobra pose. Lay down and lift your chest. Butterfly pose. Sit, bend knee and flap legs gently. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. See you in next class. Bye bye.